Here we've got a new Polk full-size phone, the Buckle. Kind of looks like a belt with a belt buckle from the picture there. Maybe that's why they call it the Buckle. Let's open her up. Oh, they're secret stickers. So in the bottom box here we've got a big cotton carry bag, the audio cable, 1/4" adapter, and the user guide. Gotta have some weight to them. Kind of metal construction here up in the headband. Feel pretty beefy. Kind of remind me of the shape of the old Denon 1001s. Kind of pleather feeling headband. It doesn't feel like real leather, but it might be. I'm not sure. This looks like the phone control right here. It's kind of neat. Push button and also toggles up and down. So it keeps it off the cable. And the cable input here. Looks like that is maybe also the microphone, that super tiny dot for phone. So that is the Polk Buckle. Probably I think this might be the first full-size phone from Polk other than their noise cancelers, so we'll have to check these out and we'll let you know what we think. Thanks for watching.